Welcome, guys. So today this video we want to find all the rational points on the x squared plus y squared equals to 1. So the key is to find all the rationals. So that means we want to find all xy belongs to q times q and satisfy this equation. And this is basically the first important starting points about algebraic geometry. Okay, so I think the standard procedure everybody knows. Basically, you have a circle. Okay, I should replot the circle. So basically, you have a circle, and then the key point is to find the rational points on a circle. Okay, and the key starting point is first of all find the first one, and plot any line with which has the slope t, and the slope t which is rational. So theorem is that for every t which is rational, then this point would be rational. Okay, and we will prove it. And conversely, if any rational points is in the curve on here, then this slope is rational. So this tells you that if all the rational point except for this one can be obtained by this way. Okay, so what is this line? Well, this line is y minus 0 times t minus x minus 1. This is the line. Okay, so we need to solve this equation and this equation. Solve their intersection. The computation is simple. So x squared plus y squared, basically t squared x minus 1 squared equals to 1. So we have x squared plus t squared x squared minus 2x plus 1, which is 1. And our goal is to find x. Okay, so our goal is to find x. So x equals to 2t squared plus or minus 4t squared, 40 to the fourth minus 4 times 1 plus t squared and 1 minus t squared divided by 2, 1 plus t squared. Okay, and what is this? So we can delete 2 from both from the numerator and denominator, and this is t to the fourth. This is 1 minus t to the fourth. So this is 1. So you have x equals to t squared plus or minus 1, t squared plus 1. So for t squared plus 1, we have x equals 0, x equals 1, which is what now we want. So we have this one. And then we can plug in, we get this one. So y is equal to tx minus 1. So this is correct. So one can check that this is indeed satisfy this equation. Okay, so what we have the answer is the rational points, all the rational points on a circle. Is that the 1, 0 union all the rational numbers satisfy this relationship. So this is what we want. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.